My name's Alyshia. I'm a truck operator for Macmahon at Byerwen mine site. I've worked here for 2.5 years and I highly recommend you join our team. My favourite part of the team culture at Byerwen is the unity of our team. We do become like a second family with each other, and it's really enjoyable to come to work and have that sort of family orientation with everybody, and it makes you feel really supported in your everyday work. If you're thinking about coming to work for Macmahon at Byerwen, I say go for it. We're a really welcoming team and really supportive of each other during your training, or if you just want to start fresh at a new place.